One day you're young, the next thing you know, you're refilling the birds' feeder, making sure that they've got fresh water in their bath. Keep all their food stored in this box. And I noticed that they like to eat from this rock. There's some on the ground for the little ones. As you can see, I added some bird seed down there. Their little birdhouse has been hung up. And now it's time to refresh the water. I'm gonna sit you down, trying to figure out how to prop this up. And now I'm gonna sit in the chair and see if any come visit while I stay out here in the sun. For cinematic purposes, you know. So yeah, the Bird Fairy Cafe has been popping and thriving. We've got regulars, a little squirrel that comes and visits every day, some cardinals that come all the time now, and then a variety of other birds. And oh, speaking of cardinal, it's flying over here right now. So you can see the cardinal is right over here. Those of you who care, that is my Bird Fairy Cafe update. It has been so fun to learn and to watch, and it's been so special to be sitting out here and see them check me out, come over here, tweet at me and fly around me, and just, you know, I'm hoping that as time goes on, maybe one day I will be able to feed them out of my hand. I'm sure I've got a ways to go for that, but the fact that they come and eat while I'm sitting out here now, I just think is so magical. So yeah, I'll continue sharing updates because I just think it's so whimsical, and this is fun to me. So this is what 35 looks like for me, and I love it. We are going to embrace our full whimsical selves and befriend all the woodland creatures.